guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to share with you how I draw watercolor mandala with Karin markers. So at first I will draw the guideline circles and then we'll start drawing the mandala outline. After that I will start coloring it with Karin markers. But if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel to see all my future video. And now I hope you guys enjoyed the first part of this video. Okay guys, so here I'm finishing the mandala outline with a pencil at first, and then we'll use the kneaded eraser just to erase or clean the hard pencil lines on the paper before I start coloring it.
feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all
So coloring is almost done. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I think it's turned out really so nice, so please let me know in the comment section your thought about it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to see all my future video. See you in my next one. Love you all so much. Bye.